Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we are filling you in on everything you need to know before the market opens. I am here Monday through Fridays with videos out before the opening bell. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and turn on those notifications so that you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Today, we are going to be looking at exciting stock market news, this morning's biggest gainers and losers, plus some notable earnings reports, starting off with some stock market news. U.S. stock futures are up this morning as the Dow futures are up about 0.3% and both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures are up about 0.15%. In vaccine news, Johnson & Johnson has been issued an emergency use listing by the World Health Organization. Last December, Johnson & Johnson and Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, agreed in principle in support of the COVAX facility. Both are likely to enter into an advance purchase agreement that would supply 500 million doses of the company's vaccine to COVAX through 2022. Johnson & Johnson comes in as a strong buy with about a 19% potential upside. Next, we have Lightspeed, who announced the acquisition of cloud-based retail management software provider Vend for $350 million. Upon closure of the acquisition, Lightspeed will operate as a technology partner to more than 135,000 customer locations across the globe. The company intends to make use of Vend's technology stack and user experience expertise to deliver highly advanced commerce solutions to retailers around the world. Lightspeed was up about 7% as of close on Friday and is currently up slightly in the pre-market. It does come in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of 25%. Many of those ratings coming in just 3 days ago. Our highest price target comes from CIBC with about a 50% potential upside. In another acquisition, we have Four Corners, who announced that they have acquired a Caliber collision property for $1.9 million. Four Corners said that the Wisconsin-based property is in a prime retail corridor. Moreover, it is occupied under a net lease agreement with the corporate operator and has a remaining term of 11 years. Last week, Four Corners approved a quarterly cash dividend, implying an annualized yield of 4.4%. And last month, they also posted better than expected fourth quarter revenues. We also have Aegion, whose shares jumped over 12% on Friday after the engineering services company received a new buyout offer from another firm. Aegion is evaluating the new proposal to determine what will be the best fit for the company and its shareholders, the company said. Last month, they entered into a cash deal with affiliates of New York-based investment firm New Mountain Capital to be acquired for an enterprise value of $963 million. The deal, which awaits certain approvals, is anticipated to close in the second quarter of 2021. Aegion does have all hold ratings from analysts, and one analyst, Tate Sullivan, says that he believes the sale will help Aegion continue to develop robotic sealing technology for smaller diameter drinking water pipes, ultraviolet light curing services, and possibly pipeline integrity inspection products. And in reopening news, we have Cinemark Holdings, who said that more than 10 theaters have reopened on March 13th, and it will continue the reopening of theaters through March 15th. This means that nearly 90% of Cinemark's U.S. circuit will be open by March 15th. Their CEO said that Los Angeles is the most meaningful movie-going market in the world, and with an extensive list of blockbusters set to release in the coming months and nearly 90% of our U.S. circuit open, there is no better time to get back to the theater. Cinemark does come in as a moderate buy with 4 buy ratings and 5 holds, and recently did get a hold rating from Goldman Sachs with a negative 12% potential downside, but also got a buy rating from Benchmark with an upside potential of 25%, so analysts are a bit differentiated there. Now, taking a look at this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer so far, who is CheckCap. Trading under the ticker CHEK, they're currently up 120% in the pre-market so far. We also have Intech Pharma under NTEC, who's currently up about 93%. Acer Therapeutics under ACER, who are currently up 62%. And Shaw Communications under the ticker SJR, who are currently up 59% in the pre-market. For our biggest losers, we have Torchlight Energy Resources under TRCH, who's currently down about 14% in the pre-market. Entera Bio under ENTX, who is down just shy of 13% in the pre-market, but this is following a 70% gain as of close on Friday. And Nova Lifestyle under NVFY, who is down just over 12% this morning, but that is following a 10% gain on Friday and over a 105% gain in the last couple days of last week. Now for some notable earnings reports. Starting off with Century Casinos, whose shares have gained momentum after a fourth quarter profit win. They closed Friday up over 9% and so far up 6.8% in the pre-market after they reported fourth quarter earnings of 22 cents per share compared to a loss of 68 cents per share in the year ago period. Analysts were expecting a loss of 2 cents per share. Their revenues grew 26% year over year to $84.8 million, but did miss consensus estimates of $87.3. Century Casinos does have just one buy rating on it currently, but that analyst believes they have upside potential of about 18%. We also heard from International Seaways, who reported a larger than expected quarterly loss, causing their shares to slide about 3%. They incurred an adjusted loss of 52 cents per share in the fourth quarter, compared to the 19-cent loss per share estimated by analysts. Their total shipping revenues generated the quarter amounted to $56.7 million, missing consensus estimates of $62.02 million. Further, their revenues decreased 54% year over year. It does seem that analysts are feeling somewhat optimistic though, as they did just pick up a buy rating 3 days ago from Jefferies with about a 33% potential upside. Also this morning, we're expecting to hear from Excel Entertainment, Desktop Metals, and Aegion. And in the after hours, 360 Finance, Health Equity, and Shoals Technology. So that is our Monday pre-market morning update where we're sharing everything you need to know before the opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and we will see you back here tomorrow morning.